How to create a report in Salesforce. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. It is extremely simple, so let's just go in and get to it. First, just go in and log into your Salesforce, and then you simply just want to go to the apps section here from the bottom, top left. Sorry, if you click on that waffle icon, you are going to be able to click on View All or just search up reports, and you should be able to find it right away. Go ahead and click on it, and it's just going to take you to the Reports tab. From here, all you need to do is just click on New Report. And then from here, you're just going to go ahead and select what you want to create a report about. So basically the report type. So let's say we wanted to see the money really. So we just wanted to click on opportunities, for example. And I'm just going to select opportunities. Obviously, this is going to really depend on your situation and what you want to create a report for. Anyways, once you select whichever one it is you need, you click on it and click on Start Report. And now it's just going to take us to the report creation. Now here we're going to find a bunch of columns here that are available, and whatever you see here is going to be reflected over here. As you can see, the different columns that are available here. And if you remove any of them, it's just going to be removed right away. Also, we can just check this update preview automatically just to make things easier for us to see. As we change anything, it just keeps updating. So if we don't like a specific thing. Now, what I recommend that you do is that you go for groups. It's just going to be easier. And if you want to create charts, you will need to actually group things so that it is going to be doable to actually create a chart for it. You can feel free not to if you just want it to be more like static with the information here. But I'm just going to click on Add Group. And let's say I want to group them by stage. So we can just go and select that. And as you can see now, there's a lot that has changed. And now it's actually grouped by stage. Not only that, but we also have the ability to add a chart. But let's just go and discuss the columns first. Now, if you just go to the columns section, we can feel free to, again, like I said, remove specific ones. For example, I'm just going to remove the lead source and type. And you can also add new ones by clicking on Add Column, and you're going to find all of these different columns that you can actually go for and add. Next up, once you're happy with the columns and the groups, you can just click on Filters, and you're going to be able to select the different filters for, let's say, in this case, opportunities. So if you want to showcase all opportunities or specific ones, it's all going to be within the filters section. So in here, by default, it's going to be all opportunities, but you can just feel free to change that if you click on it, if there's anything else to choose from. But I'm just going to leave it as all opportunities because that's what I actually want anyway. So I'm just going to leave it as all. And also I'm going to select that it's going to show all opportunities. So it needs to be within the time range that I want, which is all time. And I'm just going to leave the date for the close date and click on Apply. And you also have more filters here. Like if you want to have or track specific opportunity statuses, you can change it from here as well. Next up, you can just feel free to add a chart. If you want to have a visual of this report, you can just click on Add Chart. And once you do that, you are just going to have this chart right away. You can click on Chart Properties, and you can just pick the actual chart that you want to have in here and give it more details. Once you're happy with this, you can just go and click on Save and Run, and obviously just save this report. And now you have successfully created your report, and you should be able to find it within the reports section. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.